Now we are going to learn les adjective interrogative. It means the interrogative adjective. So the adjective we use to ask a question. So what are the questions we could ask? For example, for what or which. Okay? We use either quel, so these are the 4 interrogative adjectives we use. All the 4 have the same meaning. It means what or which. It is all pronounced the same. Quel, quel, quel and quel. It is all pronounced the same and has the same meaning. However, their usage is different. For example, when would we use quel, quel? We would use it when there is a masculine singular noun. So if there is a masculine singular noun, we would use quel as the interrogative adjective. So you must have guessed when would we use quel, that is quelle. We would use it when there is a feminine singular noun in the sentence, we use quel, quelle. Both these mean the same. It means what or which. Now, when would we use this word, quels? It is also pronounced quel. It also means what or which. How does it differ from the use of this quel? This word is used in a sentence where the noun is masculine plural. So when the noun is in the masculine form but it is in the plural form, we use quel, that is quels. Now you must have guessed when would we use the word quel, quelles. Yes, we use it when the noun is in the feminine plural form. So these are the rules for using this interrogative adjective. Quel, quel, quel and quel. They are all pronounced the same. They all have the same meaning. It means what or which. However, their usage differs depending upon the noun. So if the noun is a masculine singular noun, we use quel, quel. If it is a feminine singular noun, we use quelle. If it is a masculine noun but it is in the plural form, we use quels, quel. If it is in the feminine but plural form, we use quelles. So shall we see a few examples of the use of the interrogative adjective? For example, quel est votre adresse? Now, what is a noun in this sentence? Yes, it is address. And in what form is it? It is in the feminine singular form. So, would we use quel or so which of the following would be used in this blank? It depends on the noun. We saw that the noun is in the feminine So we will use either this or this. It is in the singular form. So this is the right answer. So, quel est votre adresse? What is your address or which is your address? So, I hope you are clear. So, shall we do a small exercise to test how well we have understood? Let us take this sentence. First step is you have to read the sentence. Tu es né dans dash pays. You were born in which country or what country? So now if you note, the noun here is pays. Pays means country. Now, the word pay is the same in the singular and in the plural form. Singular is also pay and plural is also pay. So now, how do you know what interrogative adjective we use here? We need to understand the sentence. So, you were born in which country? So, according to the sentence, this is in the singular form. So, what word would you use? Quel. Why do we use that verb? Because it is in the masculine singular form. This verb in particular is the same in the singular and in the plural form. Therefore, we need to understand the sentence and understand what needs to be filled in the blank. Shall we see one more sentence? Dash cuisine adore tu. Which cuisine do you like? So, here the noun is cuisine. It is in the feminine singular form. So, what would we write here? Yes, it is quel. Why did we write quel? Because it is in the feminine singular form. So, one last sentence to test our knowledge of the interrogative adjective. So, dash sport pratik tu. Which sport or what sport do you practice? Now, we must identify the noun in this sentence. Which is the noun? Yes, it is sport. Which sport? Now, is sport in the masculine or feminine form? Yes, it is in the masculine form. And is it in the singular or in the plural form? Yes, it is in the singular form. So, when it is in a masculine singular form, which interrogative adjective do we use? Yes, it is quel. Quel sport pratique tu? Which sport do you practice? So, I hope you are now thorough with the use of the interrogative adjective. It is very easy. You just have to see the noun and see in what form it is and fill in the blank in the corresponding manner. So, I hope you have understood this. Shall we move on to the next topic?